Away they go, lovable princess and glamorous from the outside showtime lady. Angie Gray, Racing Import, Sir Frederick, Lady Diamond, Terry, Toon, No Sweats, Bagong Silang and Strong Boy is the early trailer, Glamorous by Happle and followed by Showtime Lady. Lovable Princess racing third by Sam Tulangs. Angie Gray is racing import by Sam Trilangs. And out of our turn, Glamorous this time by Sam Tulangs. Showtime Lady in second. Lovable Princess Danori inside. And Angie Gray as they swing for home. Glamorous by Sam Tulangs. Lovable Princess Danori inside. Angie Gray on the further outside. Showtime Lady Terry, Toon Lady Diamond, and No Sweats. And hitting the finish line number 2, Glamorous. And finally, Glamorous. Angie Gray, Lovable Princess, Lady Diamond, Terry Toon for your Fanta Effect.